How to add a debit card on Venmo. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a debit card to your Venmo account. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you're going to open up your Venmo application and log into your account. Then at the bottom right, you can find the profile icon. Just head over there, and then from there, tap on Settings menu at the top right. Once you tap on Settings, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on Payment Methods right below Create Business Profile. And on your payment method, you just have to tap on Add a Bank or Card. From there, you want to select the second option, Card, but you have to know that they charge a 3% fee for sending money with your credit cards and don't charge for purchases or debit card payments. So let's just tap on Card here. And all you have to do is enter your card details, card number, its expiration date, CVV code, and your zip code. Tap on add, and you can also add your card as a backup payment. This is completely optional. If you want, you can toggle it on and then just tap on the add button down below. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.